IGBO AREA TV on the Igbo.
Kedebe ndị Ghana nọ ndị ju social media eme mkpọtụ after ka ha mechaa mkpọtụ na social media watchizie ihe na-eme the same people na-eme mkpọtụ na ka ha na-abụ ego na ka eze ndị Igbo na-etu ego ha na-abụ the same people na-eme mkpọtụ na social media na ka ha na-atụtụ ego ebe a.
Today on IGBO AREA TV, we want to talk about something important happening in Ghana. An Igbo man who has lived in Ghana for many years is now facing trouble. He became the leader of some Igbo people in his area. Some call him Igbo. He married a Ghanaian woman. He helped people. He gave money to the poor. He supported both Ghanaians and Nigerians. But now they say he's trying to build an empire. We have talked about this video before. They say he's showing off. And some people want him to leave Ghana. What did he really do wrong? This man has been living peacefully in Ghana. He didn't steal anybody's land. He didn't fight anyone. He didn't break any law. What he has, he worked for it. He bought it with his money. Now that he is growing, they say he is trying to rule. But did he ever say he wants to rule Ghanaians? No, he's just leading his own people, the ones who agree with him, some Igbo people, just like other tribes do. Everywhere in Africa, we have community leaders. Hausa people have Serukin Hausawa. Yoruba people have Obas and Diaspora. Other Nigerians have state unions. So why is that a problem when Igbo have their own leader in Ghana?
But let us look at it that Nigeria and Ghana were the same. We are from the same ECOWAS sub-region. Apart from being ECOWAS, apart from what the Igbo has divided our borders, we are the same. Let's embrace each other. We have millions of Ghanaians in Nigeria, we have millions of Nigerians in Ghana, but let's not look at the number of the people. Let's look at the love we have for ourselves as Black African brothers. And every Nigerian feel more relaxed in Ghana because Ghana is an English-speaking country. It's not like French, Francophone countries. So let's look at all this area. So I've been doing the best I can, not just only me, with other elders, people like Chief Callistus and many other people. We are doing the best we can to solve this problem. And I and them are very instrumental to solve this problem.
Why is it that when an Igbo man starts doing well, people get angry? Is it because we succeed too fast? Is it because we don't beg? Or is it just jealousy and fear? Some people are also saying the man is spreading money. He is showing off. But the same people that complain are the ones rushing for the money. The truth is, some people just don't want to see an Igbo man rise. Now, let's look at it from the other way. Let's tell the truth from our own side, we the Igbo. Some of these so-called Igbo, Igbo, outside Igbo land, many of them were not born into royal families. They go outside, get small money, and crown themselves king. They wear red cap. They call themselves His Royal Majesty. They come back to Igbo land and start acting like they are above the real traditional rulers. That one is wrong. We must say the truth. Kingship, Ezeship is not for everybody. If Igbo people in Ghana or anywhere abroad wants a leader, that is very good. But it should be someone who helps solve problems, brings peace when there is misunderstanding, speaks for the people, especially the Igbo community, unites the people, not divides them. Not just someone wearing big clothes and showing off. Here is the kind of leader we need. Someone the people can report to. Someone that settles family disputes. Someone who can call police or embassy when Igbo people are in trouble. We don't need a Igbo who only goes to parties and spreads money. We need Ochibo, Onye na-achị Igbo. We need chairmen. We need servant leaders. And now to our African brothers and sisters, especially in Ghana. We are one people. We are not here to take over. We are not your enemies. We are your African brothers. Let us not bring back the bitterness of Ghana must go. Let us not copy the hate from the past. Today, it is Igbo must go. Tomorrow, it may be Ghanaians must leave Nigeria again. That is not the Africa we want. Let peace lead. Let justice lead. Let every African be free to live and succeed anywhere in Africa. At IGBO AREA TV, we speak for the truth. We speak for justice. We speak for peace. For Igbos and all Africans. If you agree with this message, like, share, and subscribe. Let our voice be heard.
The same thing when they do like this. Now waiting they see they do for Port Harcourt here. Then get their own king for Port Harcourt here. Then get their own king in all the states. When we say Yoruba people, they stay too. Even for that Ghana, where would they talk where Igbo? Now go say that they get Ace and Igbo, where one still Ghana people land. Yoruba people still get their own king for their own. Yoruba people still get their own king. The same way Yoruba people get their king. Now so Fulanis, the Hausas, still get their own king for here for River State. They still get their own king for all Igbo states. So the same thing that they accuse Igbo man of, that he is trying to crown himself king so that he will take the people's land, so that they will not take the people's land, is what every typical African man practices. So this is what everybody practices. Now waiting, we know Africa, for anywhere we go, we they gather, give ourselves one person will go rule over us. Now the same pattern, even me, we be Ikwere man, even we get Obako Ikwere for all 36 states. Anywhere where Ikwere people dey, if not 2, 3, 4, they themselves will go organize waiting they call Obako Ikwere for there. The moment we have formed out Obako Ikwere, the Obako Ikwere National Secretariat for Ikwere will recognize us. We are the state for Bayelsa State, we get Obako Ikwere, we get our own king there. No people will not get their own kind of organization to help curtail the activities of our people within that area. Even within the state, within the clans themselves, you get or half their people's organization. Somebody feel they rule over them. That this practice is an African man's practice everywhere. Even the Ghanaians too, where they say today now, Igbo people want come clan, Igbo, come buy land. The Ghanaians too, before Yoruba people chased them away from Lagos, they also had monarchy system operational in Lagos State. Before Yoruba people began that statement, said Ghana must go, Ghana must go. For your information, the Ghana must go will take place for Nigeria here. That took place here in Nigeria was actually sponsored by Yoruba people. So you can see that the same people now that chased out Ghanaians away from Lagos are the same people now instigating the Ghanaians to fight the Igbos that are peacefully coexisting with Ghanaians in Ghana. You're seeing the video now.
Yoruba king being installed in Igbo land. Nobody go do them anything. For Imo State, they celebrated their Amala festival in Imo State. Nobody. There was no opera. It was not even made viral. Nobody even gets time for whatever they are doing. Even in Ghana, there is a Yoruba monarchy system operational over there.
Thanks for watching IGBO AREA TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.